the thing that makes art really great at sparking conversations, sparking connections, is that it comforts the disturbed and disturbs the comfortable. The basis of the Great Migration is that between the 1910s through the 1960s, roughly 6 million African Americans moved from the rural South to everywhere else in the country. This project is really about digging into the idea of that shift and how that massive movement of people in such a short period of time changes America. The work speaks to the idea of social impact and policymaking being here in a space that there are discussions about shaping our communities, shaping culture. Anything that broadens one's perspective has the ability to affect change in how we begin those conversations through someone being able to see the work and sharing it with the other folks that are in this space. For me, it's important that the viewers of this work take away some sense of connection. The history of the human experience is migration, and so this very specific story has a very universal application in the understanding of the human experience.